Hello. It is Thursday, February 16th, and I am adding to the vlog that I started the other day. Y'all saw me take the covers off my bed because I'm washing them today, and some of them I'm gonna put away because it's getting hot now. Y'all know I have a lot of cover on my bed. Some of it I'm gonna put away after I wash it. I just got some groceries from Walmart. They just got delivered, so I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul because today is hair wash day, and I'm gonna do a deep conditioning on my hair because it is shedding a lot. I mean, I've been told before that because my hair is so thick that it is gonna shed more than I guess what some other people's hair sheds. My hairstylist that I used to go to, that I used to get my blowouts with, she was like, well, you have a lot of hair, it's gonna shed a little bit more. But what I saw last week kind of bothered me. I'm gonna do like a DIY at home deep conditioning hair mask, so it's going to be a longer process, and that's probably why my hair sheds a lot too, because I don't deep condition my hair. I hate doing my hair. I hate the entire process. I hate washing my hair. I hate that it takes me at least an hour and a half to style my hair, that it takes me at least an hour to blow dry my hair. Like, I just hate the whole fucking process. I wish I could pay somebody to do it for me. I wish I could go back to get my blowouts. I don't even like being natural. I like my hair better straight. So to have to do something extra and take more time, I don't want to do that. But if it will stop some of the shedding, then whatever. I did get some stuff for that with my groceries, because you know, food sometimes is good for hair, you know, like coffee and mayo and oils and stuff like that, like olive oil. But anyway, I'm gonna do this quick little grocery haul, get this stuff put away so that I can spend the next fucking few hours on my damn hair. Yay. So I will be right back. Okay, so this is the stuff that I got, and I'm just gonna start from left to right. I got Mountain Dew for me. Well, all this is for me because my son isn't even gonna be here this weekend. He's supposed to be, but they're going out of town. I guess I'll have him next weekend. So all this is for me. Some Mountain Dew. Normally I get this for him, but I was drinking some of his and I forgot how good Mountain Dew is. So Mountain Dew, some fudge rounds, some garlic bread. This time I've never gotten this kind, but this is, I can't see the writing on it. It's garlic bread, but it's a different kind. I can't see the writing on it because it had the sticker attached to it and it pulled some off. But garlic bread, some Lay's chips, International Delight Caramel Macchiato Creamer, you already know. Yoo-hoos, some yogurt, got 2 of them because I'm gonna make a spread with this for what I'm gonna make with this garlic bread. Avocado, tomato, bell peppers. This is for my hair mask that I'm gonna make. Some coffee, honey, and I decided to get like a thing of dill instead of getting the actual dill herb, I guess, because this will last me a while. Some chicken, I just like to keep it in the bag. Spring salad mix, and all of this is gonna be for this. Slice, Kobe jack cheese and shredded Kobe jack cheese. That is everything. Just a little groceries to last me for the next week. It's a quick little grocery haul. I was running low on food, so I just needed a little something to get me through the next week. Get this put away, and then I'm gonna start making this hair mask. is the food. Just some of the rice and chicken and broccoli that I made the other day. This is the last of the chicken. I do have a little bit of rice left, and I left some broccoli because I have a few chicken nuggets left. I'll probably eat that tomorrow. The rest of the rice, the broccoli, and the chicken nuggets would be a weird meal, but that's okay. There's no need for me to throw away those chicken nuggets. Put them in the oven and get them back crispy. And with the flash on. Okay, bye. I'm hungry. Okay, so it is way later. It's after midnight, and I am just now sitting down for the first time today, other than when I was blow drying my hair. I'm just now about to eat. As y'all saw, I was fixing my food. My feet hurt so bad. I have been go since I woke up. Almost 12 hours. And I'm just sitting down. So I'm gonna eat. And then I'm gonna wash the plate that is in the sink, and maybe this one if I eat all the food. If I don't, the rest will go in the fridge. I'm gonna take the towels out of the dryer, put those away, and then I'm gonna close out this vlog. Don't know how much content I have. I've been recording over a few days, but I'm gonna go ahead and close it out after I get those clothes out of the dryer. But I'm gonna eat now and snack and relax for a little bit. I have been going since 2 p.m. and it's midnight and my feet hurt. I wanna relax for a little bit, so I will be back later to put those towels away and close out this vlog. Hello, it is February 17th, I believe. Y'all saw me getting ready for bed. Super excited to sleep in clean sheets. It feels good when you wash all your covers, you're in a clean bed. But I did take off 2 of the blankets, so now it is literally just this sheet and this one blanket. And if you're wondering why my blanket doesn't match my pillowcases, because I mean, if you've been watching my vlogs long enough, you know that this is not the blanket that came with the set. The blanket is like this, but it just gets on my nerves. Like, it's so, the way it's made makes it heavy, and even getting it in the washing machine, let alone getting it out when it's wet, it's heavier. And then it takes like 3 hours to get it even 95% dry. And I have to take it out, flip it over, put it back in, take it out, flip it over, put it back in. Like, it's a whole process. And then because of these things right here on the blanket, you have to pull it apart while it's still warm. If you do it when it's not warm, you can't hardly pull it apart. So it's just, basically, it's a nightmare. And I just got sick of it, so I took it off the bed. It's in the closet, and I put this one on. But for me, this is not a lot of cover at all. We're gonna see how I sleep with just one blanket. It is getting hot here. It's 80-something degrees during the day right now. I felt like it was time to take some weight off of my bed. I took off 2 blankets. I have to go to the nail salon today when I get up because my nail is cracked right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, and I need to get that fixed before it breaks all the way across. Like, it's just a little crack right now, so they can fix it. Because when this one broke or cracked, you can see this is all still my, well, I don't know if y'all can see, well, just where I'm pointing at. This is all still my real nail here, and they wanted to save it instead of putting any fake nails over it because they know my real nails mean a lot to me. So the guy glued it and then put the acrylic over it, and it's just grown out. When it originally cracked, it was like up in here somewhere, and now it is like right here, not too far from the tip of the bottom of the nail. It's like right here, and it was like here when it cracked. So it's just grown out. So they can do the same thing with this one. So I'm gonna let them, so you can see it a little bit now, I'm gonna let them soak off the acrylic, glue my nail back together, and put the acrylic back over it, and it'll just grow out. And these are my real nails. The only one of my nails that even has any fake nail on it is this one, and my real nail is right at the, almost right at the tip. See right here, it had broke off too bad, so they had to put the fake tip over it. But I mean, it's been like a month and a half. I'm gonna have to make a pit stop trip to the nail salon today to get that fixed. So unfortunate. I kept feeling like something was wrong with the finger, but I thought, especially because I did my hair yesterday, I thought that because when I do my hair, I have like the hair stuff all up under my fingernails, and sometimes I go too far and I injure it up under from cleaning it, because I'm a person, I clean up under my nails. I don't play that. Like, that's nasty to me. So sometimes I will injure up under it from being too rough with the cleaning. So I thought that that's what it was, but I just kept feeling it, and I looked at it and I'm like, damn, it's cracked. But I'm glad I caught it very early on and it didn't break all the way across. Like, it's literally just a little bit, so I can just go get it fixed and save my real nail. Wasn't planning on going anywhere, and it just kind of messes up my day. It is what it is. But I am going to lay down now. When I get back from the nail salon, I'm gonna vacuum really quick and then take those towels out of the dryer. They were originally supposed to be a part of my vlog that I ended yesterday, but that's okay, that'll be a part of this one. And take a shower, and that'll be my day. And then I'm gonna edit on Saturday. I will be back way later. So good night, good morning, good afternoon. Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good night for me. Bye. Okay, so it is the next day now. Well, same day, I guess, but way later. It is basically 7 p.m. I am about to cook. I just took a shower. I did walk to the nail salon earlier, and I did vlog me on the way back a little bit because I had to get this nail fixed. It cracked a little bit on this side. She put some glue on it and then more acrylic. Like, she took off the acrylic, put glue on it, and then more acrylic, and repainted it, because these are my real nails that will just grow out. So now I'm about to cook. That'll be it for my day. Lord knows I don't feel like cooking, but don't cook, I don't eat, right? So I am just going to make a chicken Caesar salad grinder sandwich. Tag along and let's get to cooking. But first I'm gonna go see if my neighbor's home, because this earring came out and I can't put it back in with these nails. He has helped me put them in before. They are actually, I forgot what the one's called that make your hole bigger. That is what these actually are. If I keep going up in size, my holes would get bigger, but I'm not gonna do that. I might go up 2 or 3 more sizes in the bottom, not the top. but I wouldn't mind the bottoms being a little bit bigger. They are like screw-on backs, almost like the ones for your tongue and belly button, and they're really small. I can't grip them with these nails, so I'm gonna see if he's home so he can put that back in for me, and then I'm gonna cook. And if he's not, then I'm gonna cook and I'll go back and check later because he wasn't home earlier. I'll be back, gonna cook. how it looks. Hold on. Sorry. In the plate. And yes, I did have a hard time cutting it. The only real knife I have, it is dull. That knife came from my mom's house. I need to buy me a set of knives. So I did struggle. I missed just the rest of the salad, and I wanted some bell peppers to eat on the side raw. And that's a side view. It's gonna be messy, but it's gonna be good. And I thought that this was garlic bread. It might be, but it didn't have no garlic spread on the inside when I cut it open, which was weird. Maybe they put it on the outside. Maybe that's what this is. But it didn't matter though, because I made an actual spread to go on it, which I was gonna do anyway. But I thought this was garlic bread. I was trying to figure out how I was gonna melt the cheese, the Kobe Jack. So that's why I didn't put the chicken in the Caesar salad, because I warmed the chicken with the cheese so I could melt the cheese. And then I put it on. So I cooked the chicken, and the salad was just the lettuce, Caesar dressing, and extra cheese. And the spread is yogurt, just plain yogurt. And I seasoned it, and I put dill in it because it's supposed to be a dill spread. And I added cheese. The veggies that I put in it, bell pepper, avocado, and tomato. Even though I'm not a tomato eater, I can eat it in something like this, or clearly in like chili. It is a chicken Caesar salad grinder sandwich. Look at that. I didn't mean it in the video. Pushed the wrong button. This is about to be bomb. It took me a while to make this though. So many steps. When the only thing that I actually had to cook was the chicken. But it's just so many steps though. So many moving parts. But I'm about to eat. It's my first time even sitting down today, and it's almost 9 p.m. So this is my first time eating. I'm starving. Yeah. About to tear it up.